Hi guys, welcome to Softcal Technology. In this video, I will tell you how to use multi-level structures. Structure, as I already told you why we are using the structure. In the previous video, I already told you why we are using structures because of memory. We want to compact the memory size. That's why we are using the structures. So basically, why we are using it? First of all, you have to see this thing only. What happened, guys? Structures is I already told you collections of variables. Collection of variables means suppose because if you want to like parameters, we can set the parameters. We want to enter the employee report. We are working here there any, and we want to make the sheet of the employee report. One record enter, five record enter. All these things we can maintain in the structure. So why we are using structure? Basically, we are using for the compact the memory size. Memory side means personal structure, personal information is separately we are keeping, and salary HRA DA we are keeping separately. So these type of videos why I am doing, because you will improve your knowledge in the C language. That's why I am doing structures in the multiple structures level. Multiple structure level mean one structure, two structure, three structure. How we were manipulating, how we were using the structures. So let's start the video, guys. As usual, in the C language stu.h, conio.h, we are including the header files, and multiple. I already commented this one. Multiple structure level. Multiple you can put here multiple structures also. That is enough. So structure first. This program I am telling you how to write a program. Enter salary. Enter report. Suppose I am telling you I want this program. Okay, enter salary report. Totally report. Employee salary HRD. Everything I want. So what we have to do? Structure personal. Personal reporting means personal values we have to enter here. Like we have structure. First structure name is pulse. Simply I am giving whatever you want. You can give John, your name, whatever. According to this program, I am telling you I want report, employee report. That's why I am giving this thing personal. So we have to enter in this video. I am introducing you guys character also. Earlier I am telling you only so many days, so many only integers value. Today I am going to start character. Character is the value we have to. We want to enter the name, enter the age. Means we are not going to calculate any value. Then we have to use the character. Why it is the difference between integer and character? Character we are using because we are not going to calculate, we have to represent only. That's why we are using the char. It is only one memory byte only, they are it is using one byte only, it is using in the character. That's why we are using a character. We can put the integer also, no problem at all, they can show the output, but integer had taken the 4 byte. That's why we are not using the integer. In this type of char is a predefined variable like integer int, and we are putting here char. Name 30. 30 means 30 string, 30 character, 30 alphabets you can put here. Char age is also we can put in the character. Why? Because we are not going to calculate. Whatever we are going to calculation, then the lifetime you keep in the mind whatever we are using in the calculation only, that we have to integer. Except that we have to put the character value. We are not going to do anything. We are not going to calculate the multiply the age, all these things. So character, phone number also we are not going to buy. We have to represent, we have to show in the output. That's why we are using the character phone. Okay. Now integer sal it is a enter integer. Why we are taking? Because we want to output. We have to some method we have to implement. We have to making some method. That's why you are using the functions we have to create. We have to create some method in this integer cell. That's why we are taking the integer. So this is the first structure. Second structure, info. Info means simply I am taking, you can take your variables also. Integer, HRA, DA, TA, PF, net salary. Now in this structure, see how I am declaring here. Struct keyword is here. This is the void main function. Okay. This is the void main function. Structure person P and struct info D. Object we have created P and D. Enter name percent %s. When we are putting string, then we have to put a s. If we are putting only a y and o, then and means yes and no, then what we have to do? Percent %c. Now we are putting here percent %s. percent as m% p dot name. Enter age p dot age means structure. It is going for the structure p dot name p dot age. Then again printf percentage p dot, sorry guys, p dot phone. Salary also, uh, why we are using percent d, because integer value p dot salary. All these thing in the personal report, that's why we are doing here person. Now what we are manipulating in that integer value d info, that we have to manipulate like that. D dot hra equal to p dot salary multiply 4 by 100. Fine. Da equal to d dot ta equal to p dot salary into 5 by 100. D dot pf equal to p dot salary into 2 by 100, like that. And final net salary equal to p dot salary plus hra da ta plus minus pf. So this is the main funda we are using here to structure in a single file. I am showing you this output only. See, that's I will tell you how to see. F9. Suppose John, enter is 20. Phone number you can put anything. I'm going to put 0000. Fine. Enter salary. It was 2000 salary. Now multiple structure in C language: name, age, phone, salary, HRA, DATA. According to that, it has come. And I already, if you like my video, please share and subscribe with your friends. And structures is using for memory, slow memory allocation. That's why we are using the structure. We don't want unnecessary memory waste in our system. That's why we are using the structures. And thanks for watching my video, guys.